Tired of driving a toaster on wheels? Ready to feel alive without blowing your wallet? Here are 5 cars under 30K that'll have you cornering like a pro and grinning like you stole it. First, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, 181 horsepower of lightweight rear-wheel drive fun. Next, Subaru BRZ or Toyota 86, 228 horses and balanced like a gymnast. Ford Mustang EcoBoost, 310 horsepower and moves to match. Fiat 124 Spider Abarth, 164 horsepower turbocharged and as feisty as it sounds. And the VW GTI, 241 horsepower and legendary handling in a hot hatch. Which one's your pick? Drop it in the comments and smash that subscribe button for more speed and control tips. Fast, stylish, and under 30K. What more do you need? See you in the next one.